Before we begin, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below to learn more grammar knowledge. Welcome to today's class about countable and uncountable nouns. You may recognize these concepts by their linguistic terms, count and mass nouns. Whether you've heard of them or not, you use them every day. And you probably use them correctly without actually knowing what they are. Let's begin with count nouns. Count nouns are those which, you may have already guessed, can be counted. In fact, they are the only nouns capable of being modified by numbers. Let's take a look. Jerry has 11 boxes of cereal in his apartment. Or, Kramer has 1 shower in his apartment. These make perfect sense, right? Countable nouns can be singular or plural. To show the change in number, the noun adds letters, like S or ES, or changes spelling. Now, let's take a look at how strange it sounds to modify an uncountable or mass noun with a number. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's continue on with our example. Elaine wants 3 rices from the Chinese restaurant. Sounds a little weird, right? This is because the word rice is not something we count. It's something we consider as one giant mass, just like water, money, or luck. A noun's countability also dictates which articles can pair with it. For instance, we can say that George wanted a Twix, but we cannot say Kramer borrowed a butter from Jerry. In other words, only countable nouns can be modified by the indefinite articles a and an. However, both countable and uncountable nouns can be modified by the definite article the butter, the Twix, the dentists, the astronaut pens. We hope this helps to shed a little light on this important distinction between nouns and their uses. See you next time, everyone!